Alright, so my car had a large leak detected in the evaporated system. It's a P0455, and after I replaced this part, it's the gas cap. The gas cap has 200,000 miles on it, and you have to replace it with the OEM version. Don't get like a fake one. You have to give your VIN number usually to the dealer, and they'll tell you which one to buy. Sometimes there's multiple cats for the same model year. I'll show you what the old one looked like and the new one. And then replacing the gas cap on the left. It's got 14 years on it, and you can see the rubber gasket is more smushed than the newer one. See how wide that one is compared to that one? It looks a lot drier, of course, and this is newer rubber.